Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the unboxing series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today we're going to be unboxing the Tvilum Naia 6-drawer double dresser. Make sure to watch all the way to the end because not only are you going to see exactly what you get upon opening the box, but we're also going to share with you our step-by-step assembly video showing you how to put it together, as well as our full and complete product review telling you everything there is to know about the dresser. Real quick, make sure to like this video and subscribe to join our tribe. And so now, let's get straight into the unboxing. Here is box 1 of 2. Here are the 6-drawer fronts. And in case you're wondering, the part numbers are located on the edges. As you are unboxing, you should start to organize parts neatly by size so that you can easily identify the right parts during the assembly. Here are the 6 front support rails. Here are the 2 center cross beams. Here are 2 of the 6 drawer backs, the other 4 to come in just a second. And here is the hardware box. Here's a look at the styrofoam padding used throughout the box. They use this spacer to keep parts in place. The padding at the head and foot of the box are pretty sturdy, and its thickness helps the box to absorb impact better. Overall, it's pretty good. Here are the 6 drawer bottoms. Organize them next to the drawer fronts as they will be used during the same step of the assembly. Here are the 2 back panels of the dresser. Here is the center panel. Make sure to wipe all parts thoroughly before you begin the assembly. These little bits of styrofoam are really good at hiding and can resurface months down the line. There are grooves on both sides of this panel for the 2 rear panels to fit. Here is the instruction manual. Box 1 of 2 is now complete, so you can place the packing material back inside. Here is the mixed bag of hardware. Make sure to check the bag for any tears or missing parts that may have scattered. Here is the hardware after being organized. Here is the anti-tip hardware kit for anchoring the dresser to the wall. Here are the drawer glides. And here are the wood glue packs that are pretty messy and very unpleasant to use. There are 2 drawer glides per pack. The drawer glides extend outward, however, they do not separate like drawer glides that you might see on other dressers. Here's box 2 of 2. Be cautious opening the box using a blade. I'm not a big fan of opening boxes with sharp objects, so that's why I'm using my hands, because you never know if there's a good amount of padding, or any padding at all, on the other side guarding the furniture. Using gloves to protect your hands, break the strip of glue that seals the box closed. It only takes a little bit more time and effort, and it ensures that no parts will be damaged trying to open the box. Here is the protective styrofoam sheet used to pad the top of the box. It's pretty sturdy and can be used as a surface to assemble parts on if you don't have a work table or carpet floors to work on. Here is the top panel. Here are the 6 left drawer sides. Keep these stacked together and don't mix them with the right drawer sides that we will unbox in just a second. Here's a look at a couple of the drawer backs. The remaining 4 are there in the middle of the box. Here are the 6 right drawer sides. Remember to keep these separated from the left drawer sides to avoid confusion during the assembly. And here are the other 4 drawer backs. Make sure to keep all of the drawer parts organized together so they are easy to identify during the assembly. Here is the right side panel of the dresser. Here is the left side panel of the dresser. And finally, here is the styrofoam padding to pad the edges of the box, similar to box number 1. Box number 2 is now complete, so here's some more information and resources regarding this item. If you enjoyed this unboxing, then please subscribe to the channel and help us reach our goal of 1 million subscribers. If you want to learn how to put this item together, then there will be a link to our step-by-step video assembly guide either on, below, or in the description of this video for you to follow along. If you want to watch our full, detailed review of this item, then there will also be a link either on, below, or in the description of this video for you to learn more. And for other resources regarding this item and where to buy it, check below this video or in the description.